Marigolds are a popular choice for gardeners due to their ease of growth, versatility, and practical uses, due to their vibrant colors and easy maintenance. But did you know that pinching them can help them grow bigger and produce more flowers? In this video, we'll show you when and how to pinch marigolds for optimal growth. Pinching is a simple gardening technique that involves removing the tips of plant growth to encourage bushier growth and more flower production. When to pinch marigolds, it's best to start pinching when the plants are young and have developed a few sets of leaves. This is typically around 4 to 6 weeks after planting. To pinch a marigold, simply use your fingers or gardening shears to snip off the top growth just above a leaf node. By pinching marigold plants, you redirect the plant's energy to side shoots, promoting bushier growth and more flower buds. When you pinch off the tip of a marigold stem just above a set of leaves, you're essentially signaling to the plant that it needs to branch out instead of continuing to grow upward. This pruning technique triggers the plant's natural response to produce more lateral growth, leading to a fuller and more compact appearance. As a result of this redirection of energy, the marigold plant allocates resources not only to vertical growth, but also to the development of new stems and foliage along the sides. These side shoots not only add volume and density to the plant but also serve as potential sites for flower bud formation. Moreover, by encouraging the growth of lateral branches through pinching, you create a more robust framework for the marigold plant to support an increased number of flower buds. With more branches available to produce blooms, the overall flower production of the plant is enhanced, leading to a more abundant and visually stunning display of flowers. Furthermore, the act of pinching stimulates hormonal responses within the plant that promote flowering. As the plant redirects its growth, it triggers the production of auxins, cytokinins, and other growth-regulating hormones, which play crucial roles in flower initiation and development. This hormonal shift primes the plant for prolific flowering, ensuring a continuous supply of vibrant blooms throughout the growing season. In essence, pinching marigold plants is a simple yet powerful technique that not only shapes the plant's growth, but also optimizes its flowering potential. By harnessing the plant's natural tendencies and growth mechanisms, you can transform ordinary marigold plants into lush, bushy specimens bursting with an abundance of colorful flowers, creating a captivating focal point in any garden or landscape. By regularly pinching your marigold plants, you will encourage bushier growth and a more abundant display of flowers throughout the growing season. Remember to water and fertilize your marigolds regularly to keep them healthy and thriving. With the right care and attention, your marigold plants will reward you with a stunning display of flowers that will brighten up your garden all season long. Happy gardening!